Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to contact N26 customer support. So what we are going to do is head over to the official web page or open the app N26. Now scroll down a little bit to all the way to the end and you will see here company and help. Below that, you will see customer support. So click on customer support. And now what you can do is here type in your problem. Then also you have some frequently asked questions here, so you can check it out if you get something similar. You also have here categories. So we have security, cards, then we have account and personal details, and payment transfer withdrawals, membership account type, and app and other features. So yeah, this is basically how you can contact them. The same thing you have in your mobile app. So yeah, I hope that this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.